Hey guys, how's it going? How to find hidden gems nearby with Google Maps Explore feature. So you're gonna see right here the Explore page, right? We are in, excuse me. And you can use the categories like restaurants, coffee, gas, groceries, shopping, hotels, dessert, more. And you can click more, maybe if you want to find takeout, delivery, gyms, art, attractions, whatever that might be for you. You're gonna be able right here. They automate the search like in a second to show you exactly where closest gyms for me, and you can see of course the reviews, right? So you can see right here active gym mail right here, right? This is a gym nearby, right? And you have right here for women and children, 24 and fit, right? And many more, right? So basically you can go ahead and click the pictures, and you can see right here, if you scroll a little bit down, reviews, you're gonna be able to see the reviews of this gym, of this particular gym. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe, and if you like what you see, you can just hit save at the bottom right here, and you can save it to your favorites, start places, want to go, or travel plans if you just came here. So see you in the next one.